I seek protection with Allah from Satan, who is the refuse one. In the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and the most merciful. Today, the topic is the WKB approximation and quantum mechanics. The book is David J. Griffith, which is chapter number 8. What is WKB approximation? It was named by Wenzel, Kramers, and Brillians. Now come to the definition of WKB approximation. The WKB approximation method is a technique for obtaining approximate solution to the time-independent Schrodinger equation in one dimension. It is actually the approximate solution in one dimension of the Schrodinger equation. So now come to the solution in classical region point of view. As we know that from the Schrodinger equation, minus h cut square divided by 2m del square psi divided by del x square plus va into psi is equal to f psi. Now rearranging the value, when we change to this value, it will be minus. So del square psi divided by del x square plus 2m divided by h cut square into e minus va into psi. Psi will be common, so n is equal to 0. Now as we know that the phi square x is equal to 2m into e minus vx. So phi here is the momentum of the particle. We're squaring the both sides, squaring these both sides, px it will be 2m into e minus vx. So and under root. So this is the momentum, this is the momentum of particle. Here m is the mass of the particle. As I already we know the momentum, v is the potential energy, and e is the total energy. So v is the potential energy. Now according to the WKB method, solution of the above Schrodinger equation is psi of x is approximately equal to c over phi x into e power plus minus into iota over h cut and to integral of phi x into dx. This is equation number 2. In Schrodinger equation we already know equation number 1. And the general approximate solution is it is the linear combination of psi x is equal to c1 divided by px under root e power iota over h cut and to integral of px into dx plus c2. This is c1 and this is c2 divided by c2 divided by px under root and to e power iota minus iota over h cut and to px dx. Here it is a plus minus, so it is the general. So now the tunneling region, we know the fruit of this equation, this or this, same. So now tunneling region, fruit. As we know that from the Schrodinger equation, del square psi divided by del x square plus 2m divided by h cut square into e minus v into psi is equal to 0. So as also we know that phi square x is equal to 2m into e minus v. Put the value of 2m into e minus v, which is equal to phi square. So this equation that will become this. So put this one like this one and this. Okay, so it will become del square psi divided by del x square plus p square divided by h cut square into psi is equal to 0. It will be equation number 3. Let us assume the solution of that equation psi of x is equal to ax e power iota phi x, which is equation number 4. We already know the time independent, where ax is the amplitude, phi is the phase. This is a phi, which is space. So put equation number 4. Put this equation number 4. Values, equation number 4 values. These are the equation number 4 value. Like psi value is equal to the of psi in equation 3. Put these value in equation 3. That one. So it will become del square into a e power iota phi divided by del x square plus p square divided by h cut square and to e power iota phi is equal to 0. Now we already know from the equation number 4 and 3 combination, it become del square divided by del x square into a e power iota phi plus p square divided by h cut square into a e power iota phi is equal to 0. It also we can also write this equation like in that form, like del it is square, so it will be that like become that. So del divided by del x into integral of into not integral, sorry, and bracket del divided by del x a e power iota phi of less p square divided by h cut square a e power iota phi is equal to 0. Now differentiate by product rules. Differentiate this by product rule. As we know the product rule, first part will be we write first part simply and original topic, and the second will be integrated, will be derived, and plus then the second will be write in a simple original method, and the second will be integrated. So differentiate by product rule, it will be del by del x a So a will be taken that form, and d divided by dx e power iota phi. We will take the derivative of that one plus e power iota phi. Second part would be original. So and then we will take the derivative of first one. This is the differential by product rule. So only this one plus p square divided by h cut square into a e power iota phi is equal to 0. Now by chain rule, as we know that d divided by dx a into d divided by d phi e power iota 5 d pi divided by dx plus e power iota 5. So e power iota by 2, this will be a derivative form. We can also write this this form in a dash. Okay, so our plus p square divided by h cut square a e power iota 5 is equal to 0. It will be in ordinal part. So now d divided by dx and to a e power iota 5, it become by the chain rule it is also equal to that one, and to phi, and this become the phi dash plus e power iota 5 a dash and to plus p square divided by h cut square a e power iota 5 is equal to 0. As we know that d divided by d phi e power iota 5 is equal to iota e power iota 5. So we also know that this one will be by further solution d divided by dx iota a e power iota 5 and phi dash plus d divided by dx e power iota 5 a dash plus p square divided by h cut square a e power iota 5 is equal to 0. So it by it become this become will be there. So now for now, as we know the differentiation of three elements, it is the three element differentiation is like we say that u v w differentiate. It will be u differentiate v into w plus u v differentiate into w will be an original plus u v and w differentiate. It will be like that. So simply I will differentiate these three, that one, and that one. It will become again differentiate for three elements. It will be iota will be common. So it will be e power iota 5 pi dot and to d divided by dx that one plus a pi dot pi dash d divided by dx e power iota 5 plus a e power iota 5 d divided by dx into phi dash. So it is a phi dash, okay, of plus, and also we take the derivative of this one, a dash. It will be a dash or this square d divided by dx and e power iota 5 plus and e power iota 5 d divided by dx and a dash, and plus, and the phi this become like that one, and plus p square divided by h cut square into e power iota 5. It will be an original function. Okay, so now we will take this point will be a like this one. So and also by chain we will solve this process by chain rule, and d divided by dx into phi dash will become pi double dash. Okay, and also this will be solved by chain rule, and e power iota 5 d divided by dx a dash will become a double dash. Okay, and this we will no change occur in this. So it will become that one iota into iota phi power dash. So it will become iota into e power iota pi dash a dash plus a pi dash d divided by d phi e power iota 5 d divided by d phi divided by dx plus a e power iota 5 phi double dash. So I already said that phi dash will become phi double dash, and plus will be, so further plus a dash d divided by d phi e power iota 5 d pi divided by dx plus e power iota phi a double dash, because this is this one, this is for this second part of this equation. Okay, so now by rearranging the value iota into e power iota pi dash a dash plus iota a phi dash, by rearranging e power iota pi dash plus a e power iota 5 and phi double dash plus iota a dash phi dash e power iota 5 plus a dash e power iota 5 a double dash e power iota 5 plus, and this will no change occur in this one. It will be only I rearrange this equation with another one. So simply now by simplification, iota e power iota 5 phi dash a dash plus iota square, it will become iota square this one with this one a pi square e power iota pi plus iota a e power iota pi dash double dash plus iota a dash phi dash e power iota dash plus a double dash e power iota pi plus p square divided by h cut square a e power iota pi is equal to 0. So I only simplify this one, only rearranging value etc. Now take common e power iota phi from all of these, so it will become e power iota pi iota into iota pi dash a dash plus iota square a pi dash square plus iota a pi double dash iota a dash phi dash a plus a double dash, and plus no change occur in p square h cut square h cut square into a e power iota phi is equal to 0. As we know that iota square is equal to -1. Now by further solving, iota phi dash a dash plus minus iota phi dash square plus iota phi a double dash, so plus iota a dash phi dash a pi dash plus a double dash, okay, and plus p square h cut square del by del x. Only I remove this one. Now come further solving, a double dash plus 2 iota a dash, it is 2 iota a dash, okay, so plus iota a into phi double dash minus a into phi dash square is equal to minus h cut square minus p square divided by h cut square into a. Only I only remove this one into 0, or take this from this to into 0 point, it will become minus. Now it become the complex number, a double dash minus a pi dash square plus iota into 2a square a dash of phi dash plus a phi double dash is equal to minus p square h cut square a plus iota 0. This is the real and this is the imaginary part. So it is a real. By comparison, we will this one. Now compare the equation number. These three equation compare. Now compare the real and imaginary part. A double dash a pi dash square plus iota phi into 2 a dash phi dash plus 2 plus a pi double dash is equal to minus p square over h cut square into a plus iota is 0. Comparing real and imaginary parts. Okay, this is the real and this is the imaginary parts. So by comparing a double dash minus a phi dash square is equal to minus p square over h cut square into a, and this is compared to this one, and this will be compared to 0. So it will be compared to a dash phi dash plus a phi double dash is equal to 0. So I already compared. So now come to this one. Is to find the a double dash, we will take into this. It is minus when from is equal to from side up is equal to we take it will be positive. So a pi dash will become positive square minus p square h cut square into a. So a will be take a the common, a dash is equal to a into phi dash square minus p square h cut square. And also the second point of view, the parts d the imaginary d divided by dx will become d divided by dx because pi, and a square pi dash is equal to 0. By integrating value, this will be integrate d divided by dx into a square into phi dash square. By integrating, it become a square phi square into is equal to c square. A dash pi dash is equal to c square. C is a constant. To find a is equal to c square under root divided by pi dash phi dash under root. That will become c already we know a constant, c divided by phi dash under root. So now come to this. Let's come to this part. This cannot be solved further because amplitude varies slowly. Here a varies slowly, and also a dash is equal to d over dx into dA divided by dx. It is negligible. So it is negligible because a dash divided by a is much less than phi dash square and p square divided by h cut square. So a double dash divided by a is nearly equal to 0. So it becomes a dash divided by a is equal to phi dash square minus p square divided by h cut square is equal to 0. Phi dash square is equal to plus minus p square by h cut square is equal to phi dash is equal to plus minus p square divided by h cut square, which is equation number 6. This is remember this equation. This is equation number 5. This is equation number 5, and this is equation number 6. Remember these equation further. Now in page number 6, we know that the phi dash is equal to plus minus p divided by h cut. We also write this by derivative d phi divided by dx is equal to plus minus p divided by h cut. Integrating both sides with respect to x. So with respect to x, d divided by dx into phi into dx is equal to plus minus p divided by h cut into dx. cut the derivative with the integration. So it will become phi is equal to plus minus iota over h cut into the integral of px and to dx, because I already take the common over h cut. It is a common. It is equation number 7. Remember equation number 7. Putting the value of phi dash is equal to p divided by h cut in equation number 5. A, which is a is equal to c divided by phi dash. Now, when we put this, a become a is equal to c divided by p divided by h cut under root. Now, it will become c into h cut under root into divided by phi under root. So c is a constant, so h will also become constant. Now, a is equal to c divided by p under root, which is equation number 8. Now putting the value of phi from equation number 7. Yeah, putting the value of phi from equation number 7. This is the values of phi from equation number 7, and from 8 equation, and from equation number 8 putting in the a value is equal to that one from equation number 8. Put in 4 equation. We already know the 4 equation is phi psi is equal to a e iota pi x. So put that one and equation number 7 and this simple equation, it will become psi of x is equal to c over phi under root and to e power iota plus minus iota over h cut and to integral px dx. Hence proved. This is the approximate solution WKB method. Thank you so much. Like my video and also comment if you have any question you have, then comments in the on video, and also subscribe my channels. Thank you so much.